Good morning. I'm Erica Sprague with Lane Realty,
And I'm Courtney Schweitzer with Kimball Insurance.
and we are here to talk to you, future home buyers and sellers, about insurance in Montgomery County and what it's looking like in 2025. So we'll start with home buyers, Courtney,
Okay.
and we were talking earlier. What is the right time for a home buyer to start their insurance search?
Sure. So at this point, because we have had a lot of rate increases, rate has become an issue for some home buyers, just depending kind of where you fall. And so with that, I said as soon as you're under contract, because obviously we want to make sure that know what house we're getting insurance on.
Right.
So you need to be under contract. And then your lender is going to want usually your insurance decision within 2 weeks prior to closing. So also if you're having a shorter closing, you may want to look for insurance sooner. But in the past, I've always told people after option is when you would look for insurance, just due to the fact that then you've had your inspection, you know what updates you've negotiated to be able to tell the insurance agent, okay, well they replaced the AC, or whatever the case may be.
Okay, so as soon as the option period is over, they should start their search for home insurance. Now, if someone is wanting to shop rates amongst different carriers, how long does that take? How much time do they really have to do that?
Sure, it depends on the agent. My turnaround time is usually about 24 hours because I want to get that out to people quickly so that they can make a decision, because some people take a little longer to make a decision than others. So it really depends on the agent, but if you give yourself a couple of days and talk to whoever you're getting a quote from, then they can generally let you know how long that process will take for them.
Okay, and is there anything, as we discussed, insurance rates have gone up a few times in the past couple of years. Is there anything that could keep a premium lower or help that client?
Yeah, so some of the things that really help bundling, carriers are really wanting to see that we have, like the home, the auto, and what other lines of business all together. Some carriers actually, if you don't bundle, they don't want your business. So bundling is going to be big for people, and then the newer, the better, because it's rated better. So things such as the roof, HVAC, and hot water heater, ideally within 10 years is going to help out on rate. There's a few others that you can, discounts you can find here and there, but those are really the big ones that are going to help drive prices for you.
Okay, awesome. So we're talking about the age of mechanical features, which kind of leads us to the seller. So if you're looking to sell your home in the near future, you really want to pay attention to the level that you've maintained your home.
Yes.
And so Courtney referred to it as pride in ownership earlier, but what would that look like for a home seller?
So trees and bushes trimmed and away from the home. Let's see, just, overall looking nice. Fence posts, if they're broken, just replace them. They're missing, replace it. And then also, again, the three major systems that I mentioned earlier, the roof, the HVAC, and the hot water heater, keep those up to date. Again, ideally within 10 years, you're gonna see the best rates there.
Okay, awesome. So also those items would come back on an inspection report as well. So if you have trees that are hanging over the roof or touching the roof, you should trim those back. If your gutters need to be cleaned out, you should do that. So just general homeowner maintenance that you should be doing every single year.
Ideally.
Okay. So we hope this information has been useful to you. If you have any questions about insurance, Courtney would love to talk to you. If you have any real estate questions, I'd be happy to help as well.